Hey guys, how you doing? This is Tim Grae from Grae Therapy, and here's another pro tip. Now, we know that everybody's texting and typing all the time, so here's another stretch to open up the chest and the shoulder. But you can do it from work or anywhere. We try to make these things available for you no matter where you are. So here I am standing in a doorway. You want to put your palm directly against the wall, elbow as well, so you're making a giant L. Okay? So only thing you got to do is stagger your feet, keeping your chest long and tall. Inhale in, exhale and lean in. You'll start to feel the stretch coming directly into the chest, and you'll feel it opening in the lower back and in the shoulder. Simple things like that. Second one that you may want to do is make a giant Y. Putting your arms directly into the corners of the doorway and leaning in. Make sure that your feet are about shoulder width apart to give you proper support, and you're going to feel that your chest open. This is great. Even your abs. It's a beautiful day. It's Tim Grae from Grae Therapy. Have a good day. Stay well. Peace.